this has just happened the other day. I could not believe this happened. Now, any of you that know me know I've been married for like 57 years, and I have the nicest husband in the world, and he would never hurt my feelings, ever. But we're down in Florida, and we're out. One of our friends that we were with had to go to the restroom, and so Mike and I are standing outside. The sun's coming down, and you know, as you all know, in the sun, our wrinkles show up a lot more. But he's looking at me, and he said, you know, honey, your makeup is getting in the cracks. And I'm like, what? What did you just say to me? He says, your makeup is getting in the cracks in your face. I said, Mike, I think they are called wrinkles. They are not cracks. I got so upset with him, I just could not talk to him for a couple hours. Well, then after a couple hours, I started thinking about it, and I thought, oh my gosh, that is the funniest thing I have ever heard. I mean, cracks? Cracks are in the sidewalk, not in your face.